Good morning. Welcome to a new vlog. This is January the 26th, 2026. And it is Monday morning and it is a little bit icy outside where I am anyway. So yeah, if you want to see what I got up to today, come with me. Let's start with looking at what looks a little bit like a precursor to snow. Let's see what happens. So that's what the outside looks like for me, outside of my back patio. Don't mind this. This is from the plants I'm trying to grow here. Avocado seeds, which sprouted roots, and now I'm trying to, but anyway, that's what it looks like. Yeah, so no snow. And just getting on with my day, watching financial news, and I'm going to do my Bible study. And yeah, it's warming up, so that's good. So that will keep, the roads from being iced. So hopefully I'll be able, God willing, to order some groceries for delivery. I don't want anyone making a trek that is unsafe. So yeah, all right. See you guys in a little bit. Just here in bed, heaters on, and I'm just laying here watching Squawk Box. That's financial news. And I just paid all my bills. There's my wallet right there. My accoutrement. And yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know. Just be real. I said I would. The sun is starting to come up. It's 7:28 a.m. And I'm like technically still in bed because I'm laying here, but I've been up since 6 a.m. watching Squawk Box with the news. So I'm gonna get up now. And yeah, I even ordered groceries in bed. Isn't that a wonderful, wonderful luxury that it doesn't cost if you pick the right, it's back on. If you pick the right service, you can get a discounted rate for delivery and have your groceries delivered through Instacart, or Kroger has their own now where they charge you like $5 for the whole thing. You could order carts and carts of, my heater just kicked in. It's set for a certain temperature, so that if it gets below a certain temperature in the room, my auxiliary heater will kick in. It's like an oscillating space heater type tower thing, and it's wonderful. It saves a lot of money on electricity when you just need, like when I don't want the whole house going and I just want to be in this room comfortable, it works out. So, but yeah, back to that. You could order loads of groceries and it's only like $5 flat rate, you know, and they factor in the tip. Oh, there's no tip on Kroger. They won't allow tips. But like Instacart, Walmart, Target, all of them have grocery delivery. So for times like these where either you don't have a vehicle or say it's snowing or it did snow or icy, not icy, like, because you don't want anyone out on those roads, but like, you know, for where you don't want to go out, but like the roads are drivable. All right, so yeah. I think I'm going to, I don't know what I'm going to do today, so you guys can come with me. You come with me when, so, all right, back to the news. I'm going to get up, make my bed and all that stuff and finish up, and go downstairs and watch while, yeah, so. All right, see you guys later. I just wanted to show you. You guys want to see what it's really like? This is what it's really like. All right, I am up and at 'em. As you can see, I'm just putting groceries away, and yeah, I'm going to watch, Beast Games. The new episode is out. It's Wednesday. Yeah. Did I tell you guys it's January the 28th? Wait, yeah, the 28th, 2026. With all the ice, all the inclement weather, I forgot. Like, I haven't been keeping track of days. I've just been like doing whatever, but back on track. It is the 28th, if I'm not mistaken, January. It is Wednesday, 2026. And yeah, I'm gonna watch Beast Games because they have the episodes come out weekly on Wednesdays, and I'm like, yeah, I finished the financial news, and now I'm watching that, and kind of in between putting groceries up, doing laundry, you see, like just kind of a little bit of everything. But I wanted to show you something. I've wanted to taste this so much. Ever since I saw an interview with James Donaldson, aka Mr. Beast, I was blown away by how intelligent that he was, and like his business savvy, and I was just like, what? Are you kidding me? And how kind he is, like all of the philanthropic things that he's done. But anyway, this is a few months ago, after like discovering who he was, I know everyone knew who he was except me. But after discovering who he was and seeing the interviews, I decided to do a video. Like, he did a video where he like posted like 10 years ago, like who he wanted to be and like how he wanted to be in 10 years. So he like recorded that 10 years ago and scheduled it on YouTube to be released in 10 years. And I thought, well, maybe I should do that for a year. So a few months ago, I filmed one and scheduled it to be released in a year from then. And I saw the thumbnail when I was uploading other content, and just from a few months, how much has changed. I can't even imagine when a year is up. So in a year, when that video goes live, I'm going to record me in 10 years video and then upload it for 10 years from then and see how that goes. But I already have seen changes, like major changes. So wow. I'm like, wow, when that video comes out, and when a year is up, which is later this year, how much more would have changed. So we'll see. Growth, always growth, continuous improvement. So but yeah, after seeing all of the philanthropic things that James Donaldson has done, I decided like to look into like the chocolates, and I guess they're called Feastables, and it was amazing. I recommend that you go and look at it. I mean, I'm not sponsored or anything weird like that, but it's just him seeking to make chocolate without using child labor. That whole situation is commendable and an exemplary example. So hopefully everybody else, all the chocolate makers, will follow suit. But anyway, I finally was able to get my hands on some of the chocolate. I tried like last October. I always sold out. Kudos to you, Mr. Donaldson. You are always sold out. But I finally got some today. Here it is. I got some chocolate and I want to taste it. So, and see, look here. Feastables, ethical sourcing and commitment. I don't want to open it yet. Oh my gosh. Okay, I know that's silly, but like when I do open it, I'll come on here and just open. Well, no, because like, I don't know. I just don't. I'm going to open it. Okay, I'll open it and have a bite. Okay. One block isn't going to hurt anything. I haven't even had breakfast yet. Okay. So here's one of the little blocks. Here we go. I love chocolate, so I'm going to tell you how like it is. Okay. Pleasantly surprised. Not that I didn't expect good. It's just Okay, let me put these up. This is good. I thought it would taste like a regular chocolate bar, you know, like that you pick up at the grocery store. This actually tastes like, you know, okay, my chocolate connoisseurs out there. It's not waxy. I know that a certain amount of wax is used in the making of chocolate. But like it's not waxy and like super, it's like very smooth. Not quite like a Lindt chocolate truffle. Not like those truffles where you bite in and it's liquidy. But when it melts, it's got that flowy, smooth type. Ooh, I like it. It would, you know what? They should make hot cocoa. Y'all should make hot cocoa. Feastables, if you're listening, make hot cocoa because that, okay, I'm gonna put the rest up because I don't want to eat. So I have these. They're dark chocolate covered almonds, and dark chocolate is supposed to be really, really super good for you. So I have these to snack on, and also because of the almonds. So yeah, this is supposed to be really good. And so we're gonna do that. And I'm gonna save this for maybe later after dinner, like 1 or 2 bites. Take 1 or 2 bites every day, make it last, right? Always make it last. Okay, so that's that. I'm going to, I guess, decant some of my groceries. I love decanting. So yeah, as I decant the groceries, I may film some of it, I may not. So sometimes I just, you know, sometimes I think you guys don't want to see certain things and then you actually do. And that always blows me away because I'm like, why? Okay. And then it makes me excited because the energy I'm getting from you guys saying to me, yeah, we like this, keep doing it. And yeah, if you click like on the video, that definitely lets me know. But if you comment, that is even more of a support to let me know that, okay, yeah, I'm going the right direction. All right, thank you so much, and let's keep going. Hello, it is Thursday, January the 29th, 2026, and I am making homemade key lime pie. I guess it's not the season for like natural key lime, so I have Nelly and Son's famous Key West lime juice. I think they use these in cocktails or mocktails, but they say you can use it in baking, and I've used it before in this pie. As you saw before, I do not have a blender or a food processor, but you can still make these things without. My mouth is watering because this is so good. Hey, let me turn the oven on. It's supposed to be preheating to 375. And yeah, I'm just mixing the pie filling together. As you saw, the lime juice kind of cooks the egg. This pie used to be a no-bake pie, but people started baking it for obvious reasons and concerns. But it's almost like a ceviche, because like in ceviche, I think it's lime or lemon juice cooks the fish. And in this, the juice cooks the egg, like cooks or renders it, like, I don't know, it's scientific, but I don't know exactly how it works. So anyway, just showing you that without a mixer and without a food processor, that you can actually make this stuff. And it's pretty good. The only thing is just like how thick the crumbs are but it actually tastes good with the pie. Like you have a good big bite of pie with that. And I don't have the whipped cream, but it tastes really good without, or like the lime zest, but it's good, promise you. It's really, really good. Oh my gosh. And of course, the brown sugar is optional. So let me show you what that looks like here. Mix is almost done, almost completely mixed in. And all I'm gonna do is pour this into the pie shell. I know that's really chunky, but I mean, you know, we do what we can. And then I bake it. And then after I bake it, I let it cool on the counter. And on the counter with a pot holder. And then after that, I put it in the refrigerator and let it cool completely before I cut or eat it. So yeah, just wanted to show that to you before I end the vlog. I figured I'd make something scrumptious. So, yep. Hey Siri, please set a timer for 15 minutes. So yeah, I just took the pie out and we're gonna let that cool completely. Just wanna let you know that with the egg whites, you can, like I did, put it in a container, and in the morning I'm gonna make an egg white omelet or scrambled cheese eggs with egg white, or whatever I do, I'm gonna use that so you don't have to let it go to waste. So yeah, I'm gonna let it cool. Usually it takes about, I would say about 45 minutes, and I'll show you. You just jiggle it, and if it barely moves, you know, then you're like, okay, that's how I do when I'm baking it. I jiggled it at 15 minutes and it looked a little bit watery to me, like just, so I added an additional 7 minutes of baking, which is probably, you should probably go in increments of 3 minutes, but I just I remember from last time, I think that's what I had to do. So I did it again. And yeah, once it cools, and it's like room temperature, I'll take it. Still with the pot holder, because sometimes the bottom of the pie pan can be hot, especially when you're dealing with a Pyrex dish, a glass dish or whatever. So I'll put it in the refrigerator and nowhere near anything that could spoil, but I'll make sure it's cool first, like room temperature, like I said. And then in a few hours, it should be ready to cut and we'll have a slice. I know it looks crude. It is crude. There's a reason I have absolutely no kitchen supplies like that to use, but that never stopped me. So I'm just posting this, adding it to my vlog to encourage anybody that has a taste for something. They want to make it, but at the same time, they don't have what they need. Necessity is the mother of invention. So yeah. All right, so I will end the vlog here. The next shot should be me cutting a slice of the key lime pie and taking a bite. So that's it. And I just want to thank you guys for, let me make this go up just a little. Number go up. I just want to thank you for all of your support and for being on this journey with me. We're getting there. We're gonna keep going, God willing, and just you get to share my life with me, and you guys can go into communities as long as you're subscribed. You can comment, and it doesn't have to be under any kind of video. You could just comment, talk to each other, talk to me. But yeah, if you are fine with just quiet support, watching my videos, watching my shorts, giving likes, sharing, commenting, and subscribing, that's enough for me. That shows me that you love me just as much as I love you guys. So, all right, I will see you in the next vlog. Stay tuned for the slicing of the pie. Bye, guys. God is good. Okay, I'm gonna go make some coffee to pair it with this. It's not cold, but it's like all the way chilled, but not cold yet. It's so good. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take a bite.